First, remove the dental unit's water bottle to reveal the bottle pickup tube. Align the bottle alongside the pickup tube in order to ensure your DentaPure cartridge can attach to the pickup tube with enough space to fit inside the bottle. Once measured, cut the pickup tube and securely insert the included fitting. Take off the white protective end caps and attach the cartridge with a simple twist. Fill the bottle with water and return to manifold. That's it! There's nothing else to do until next year when you receive your reminder to replace your DentaPure cartridge. Convenient, complete, consistent, and compliant. For clean water, DentaPure is the clear choice. Order now. Go to dentapure.com today or call your preferred dealer.